Welcome to Wessex Garages in Newport. Today we have for you a BMW 1 Series 116DM Sport. This vehicle's in blue and it's a diesel manual. Going to be giving you a tour of this vehicle today, but for more information on further specifications on this vehicle, don't hesitate to go online at www.wessexgarages.com and type the number plate into the search bar. Going to start with a 360 the outside of the vehicle. Some nice bold headlights there, fog lamps down at the bottom, 18-inch wheels. Body coloured door mirrors and door handles with side indicators in the mirrors. Privacy glass for the rear of the vehicle. Heated windscreen in the rear. Your fuel economy for this vehicle will be at 65.7 miles to the gallon on a combined cycle. Currently placed in this vehicle tax band C, which is at £30 per year. So there's a 360. Going to go inside now, starting with the boot. Decent sized boot space there with a 60/40 rear seat split in the eventuality you need to pop seats down to accommodate some extra luggage. Get the interior light to the right hand side, sorry, and the battery underneath. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, you have electric windows for the rear of the vehicle. There's a patterned cloth interior running right the way through the vehicle with 3 seats in the rear, fitted with 3-point seat belts, headrests, and all equipped with ISOFIX. And also leg room and air vents for the passengers in the back. And moving into the front of the vehicle, you have chrome handle up at the top with electric windows for all around the vehicle, including electric locking windows when you have smaller children on board, and your electric mirror adjustments, speakers up at the top and the bottom, as well as additional storage as well. Same interior running right the way through into the front of the vehicle as well, with height adjustable driver's seat. Moving into the vehicle, you have your lighting controls to the right hand side of the steering wheel. Moving on to the centre console, you have a little display at the top showing you various bits of information such as date, time, and in this case radio stations. Moving down, you have your CD and radio display. This vehicle is also equipped with Bluetooth technology to allow you to make your phone calls safely whilst you're on the move. Additionally, you may also stream your media from Bluetooth compatible devices straight to the vehicle without the need for any wires. Moving down, you have your air climate controls in the middle by there. Power outlet there for your various gadgets. As I said before, this is a manual vehicle and has 6 forward gears. You have the option of being in Sport or Eco Pro. Moving backwards then, you have a scroll through system that when you twist like so, alters whatever option you're choosing on the main dash. Moving back then, you have a armrest with additional storage with an auxiliary cable and USB input for your various gadgets. Moving onto the steering wheel, you then have everything to do with your volume controls, audio controls, Bluetooth connectivity and voice activation. Last but not least then, on the main dash itself, you have your revs to the right hand side, miles per hour to the left, and if I zoom into the electronic display at the bottom, you'll be able to see this vehicle has currently done 15,792 miles. Well, thank you for watching this vehicle today. A quick reminder that there are service plans available on this vehicle from £9.95 per month. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to go online at www.wessexgarages.com and type the number plate into the search bar. This is additionally where you can book yourself a test drive of the vehicle. But for all other inquiries, don't hesitate to come down into our showroom or phone one of our friendly salesmen. We'll be glad to help you out with any inquiries you have on this vehicle. Thank you for watching this video from Wessex Garages in Newport.
Thank you for viewing our short video and we hope you found it informative. If you would like more information or any specific areas you would like to look at in more detail, please click the link so we can send you a personalised extended video to your specific requirements. This may take a few hours, so please bear with us. At Wessex Garages we pride ourselves on our 3 pillars: total trust, transparency and value for money. This, alongside our guarantee to beat any bank or building society finance quote, means you can purchase with confidence. Complemented by our high levels of customer service is why 9 out of 10 of our customers recommend us on review.